Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can install and download and install Sodium for Minecraft Java 26.1. So without further ado, let's get started. So open a browser and you just need to write Modrent, click on it, then you need to go to Discover Content, Mods. And you should see Sodium here. If you don't see it, you can search for mods here. Just press on Sodium, then select versions, select game versions 26.1, and then download it. Then go back, go to Fabric API, go to versions, and then select 26.1 as well, right? And then download it as well. And once you have these two, you should find on your downloads folder or desktop, depending where you save it. And also don't forget to go to Fabric MCNet, press download and download for Windows, and also save it, right? Then completely close Minecraft Launcher, install Fabric 26.1. Once you do so, you need to open up Minecraft Launcher, wait for a couple of seconds here until it loads up, and then I will show you what you need to do here next. Go to Java Edition, Installations, then look for Fabric Loader 26.1, press on Installation folder, go to Mods, and then just drag and drop Sodium and Fabric APIs. And then launch the game through Fabric Loader 26.1 and wait until it loads up. So guys, I'm in game, and if I press now escape, options and video settings, you can see that there is Sodium options for you. So that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like.